welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a bike and you need to replace seats. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. We're talking about a little bit higher end bicycles, not regular bicycles that are like $100–200, especially this kind of seat post. This is the Fox seat post, but it will work on multiple models. Now we'll explain what not to do so we don't cause damage, okay, to the seat post, because seat post itself could be quite expensive, and you need to do one thing, otherwise you have super noisy seat that will drive you nuts. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single thing we get at the garage, like a car usually, we'll take them completely apart. We'll show you how to fix pretty much anything. Mostly our videos are about vehicles and we try to save you guys as much money as we can. We provide those absolutely free videos, and if you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, or new seats, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where you can get them from. So let's go ahead, okay, and explain how to do that specifically now. We'll be demonstrating on that YETI bicycle right here. So the seat, we're going to extend the seat post to come all the way up. While we are doing that, let's press it again. Let's press the seat post. Okay, I want to show you something. If it press, release. If it's like that, you may not be able to reach the bolt. So let's extend it. That will give us more clearance so we can actually pre-loosen these bolts. This seat has a little bit of wear and tear. We want to update it. That's a really nice YETI bike, but the seat is a little bit outdated. So we're going to go ahead, okay, and we're going to get a 5mm. You can get an Allen wrench, okay, and you need to, okay, one smaller. Next one smaller. We need to pre-loosen these two bolts. Now, one common mistake people make. I will show you when we actually remove the old seat, because otherwise, okay, you won't be able to visualize what we're talking about. So let's go ahead. We got those things pretty tight last time. Okay, it's getting loose. Now we can probably fit the extension here with the Allen wrench as well, and we'll be able to do that. Let's go ahead, do that. Perfect, this one's loose. Okay, that's enough. We need to do both at the same time. This one, we will not be able to get it here with the extension. We will need to use that one, and we need to be very careful, okay, not to actually go sideways, because you will strip the bolt. When you pre-loosen the one that's easier to access, the second one will get loose easier. Okay, so that's usually what happens, guys. And we keep pre-loosening more and more and more and more. Okay, hold the bolts. It will fall apart now. Okay, but we need to take everything apart. Why? Because we need to clean a few components so we don't have a noisy seat that will drive us nuts after that. So, okay, this one is coming loose. Recently we have a loose seat that we had to, not loose seat, excuse me, noisy seat that we had to fix. And before that, okay, it was terrible, so we fixed it about 100 miles ago. Okay, second bolt, the seat will come out slowly. Okay, check it out now. Perfect, this is the seat. Now, right here, guys, these rails, if they're super dry and covered with dust or rust, usually you develop rust. We had to clean ours. You can see they were really rusted at some point. And where the seat clamp right here, the base attaches, okay, excuse me, let me just show you. This one will lay on the seat here on one side, and this is the other one. And when you have, guys, there rust and dust, no matter how much you get your seat tight, you have some movement and creaking later that will drive you nuts. So we need to get the interphone spray. We're going to show you in a second. And even though you get a new seat, we'll clean it again. Okay, let's get the new seat now, and we'll show you guys. Okay, right here now. Okay, this is a new seat. And if you notice now, okay, let's go ahead and remove the actually the zip tie. Careful not to cut the seat, because those things are expensive. Almost as expensive as a cheap bicycle from Walmart. So that's the seat right here, guys, and you can see all that rust and dust here, right? Okay, that's lubricated because we recently cleaned it. These ones we'll need to clean them as well. So we'll get a little bit on a paper towel, okay, spray those. That's an interphone spray. This is one of the most, okay, the best sprays that we use, the Fin Super interphone. We'll put the link where you can get it from in the description of the video below. Let's wipe it and see. Okay, let's see. Okay, check this thing out. That's rust and stuff. Even though we recently cleaned it, so it comes out. Wipe it like that, but let it be oily a little bit. Okay, not to where it's leaking. Just wipe it with a rag, but don't use any detergent or anything like that to remove the oil film. And that interphone, it actually gets deep in the metal, so that's what's good about it. And we're going to clean right here. Okay, that round thing is what actually gets on the post, and we need to wipe that post here too. Let's go ahead and get it, because that thing will contact right there for the angle, and we need to wipe here with the interphone as well and clean all the dust. So that's great. Even the new seat now, those rails, let's just get them a little bit with interphone as well. Why? Because later, okay, have a little bit of it will not be dry, so even if it has some microscopic movements, it will not create any creaks. So we're going to go ahead. Okay, the arrows point to the forward. Okay, that's how we're going to install. This one goes here. You can see this one will be on top, but between the two pieces we're going to put the new seat. Okay, now you need to personally adjust the seat where you want it to be compared to how long you are, how long your feet are in seam and all that stuff. You can see you should never exceed the maximum on the front and the back for adjustment, okay, as well. So it goes just like that. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to get one of those, okay, and we're going to put it here. It's recommended. Okay, let me remove that thing for a second. If you have that creaking, clean here as well where the board will be attaching, because otherwise that can cause, okay, problems as well. And now we're going to go ahead, install that here. I'll get the bolt with the washer, go through the hole, okay, hold it there, and you can see we started by hand. Perfect. One is in. Working on the second one now. Everything is wiped down, lubricated again and wiped to make sure we don't have excessive amount of oil or anything like that. Oh, my bad, I forgot I wasn't holding it on top. So right there. Okay, we're going to go ahead, put this one now. So it goes here. We're getting the second bolt tight now. Okay, let's see now. Okay, we're going to adjust the angle in a little bit, not yet. You might have one bolt that's longer than the other one. It depends on the seat design and all that stuff. Ours will be to about right here because we have a little bit longer legs. Let's just bring it like right there. Perfect. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get this one tied a little bit. Okay, that changes the angle now. So, oh, excuse me, that changes the angle now. So we go a little bit on this side. We're going to try to make the seat leveled, so we'll go a little bit on the front now. Kind of like need to go one at a time. You can see that changes this angle now. Okay, a little bit more on the front. And then all we have to do, just adjust them one by one. Okay, let's see how this one is, because if it's too much up, it will not be comfortable. If it's too much down, it's not comfortable as well. But I think something like that will be really, really good. Let's see now. Okay, you can use a torque wrench if you're afraid that you're not going to over tighten them. Okay, let's see ours, and everything looks great. So we're ready, guys. You can see no noises. Grab it like that. That fixed everything. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.